Hi guys, today we are going to discuss about the automated number plate text detection and extraction. Let's see the backend part for this project. So for image processing data or OpenCV means for OpenCV projects we mainly use it for this OpenCV for the image data. So in this image data, so firstly we have to read the data. So here we are going to read the data. So here we uploaded an image, so car image. So in this image it is having a number plate. So we have to extract this number plate data and we have to see the text, what is the text and alphanumeric values in that number plate. We have to see the data. So we have to firstly we have to process the image. So processing means we have to apply some filters and edge detection and noise detection like that. So after done all the process and we got the image like this. So after this one we have to take the alphanumeric values. What are the alphanumeric values in that image? So in that image these are the alphanumeric values. So only we are slicing this part of this image. So after getting this part we have to show the numbers in a digital form. So that's why we write this code. So in this one after this code total text, what is the text presented in the number plate, it will show like this. So this is the project. Thank you.